So I did record a video. I mean, putting it together, but I was getting so frustrated. I don't even know how much I actually recorded. So I think I'll just do probably just me riding around, and so y'all can see me using it. But yeah, man, as far as like that goes, like, I mean, the app was super easy. Like, you just press like setup, and then you can set it up, and it took me like 5 minutes. As long as the unit's like powered up and it's green or whatever, you can connect it. I'll like put a fucking screenshot of the place I bought it from. It was on eBay. It was like, I guess, an authorized Healtech dealer or whatever. Is it worth it? Yes. Was it a pain in the ass? Hell yeah. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm in love. Shift. Alright, let me... Oh my god, I'm a fucking dumbass. Fuck! God damn it. That's what I get. As long as my quick shifter's okay, everything else will be okay. No hands! I can do it with no hands! That was just ignorant. I know it was, and I don't care. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, that's pretty fun, baby! Come on! Quickshifter, baby!